At Couch Potatoes, quality is our cornerstone. Born in a humble garage right here in Austin, Texas, we started by restoring furniture, driven by a passion for craftsmanship and a commitment to excellence. Today, we've grown into a trusted name renowned for our handcrafted pieces that blend comfort, style, and durability. Every piece of furniture we create begins with our skilled craftsmen, who meticulously build each frame by hand. Our craftsmen pour their expertise and care into every joint and every corner, ensuring that our frames are not only sturdy, but also built to last for generations. We source our materials to complement our craftsmanship. Our fabrics are selected for their beauty and resilience, while our leather is hand-cut with precision and care. Each piece of leather is carefully chosen for its texture and quality, ensuring that it feels as good as it looks. This attention to detail extends to every aspect of our furniture, from the initial design all the way through to the final stitch. Our process is a labor of love. It starts with selecting the best raw materials, followed by the careful construction of the frame. Next, we move to the upholstery stage, where our artisans sew the fabric or leather, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Finally, each piece is inspected rigorously to ensure it meets our high standards. We use furniture to change lives. Our employees, our customers, our city. We truly believe in loving people and providing comfort to those in need. Experience the difference of handcrafted quality made right here in Austin, Texas. Choose Couch Potatoes, where comfort meets craftsmanship.